In the last two episodes, I spoke about someone claiming asylum and being refused by the Home Office. And I also spoke about someone appealing to the first tier tribunal or taking his matter to the upper tribunal for application for judicial review. However, if someone has not been successful in either challenging the Home Office decision, then it is not the end of the road. You can still try to bring your case to the Home Office by way of a fresh claim. A fresh claim is whereby someone makes a new or rather further submissions to the Home Office on the basis that they've got new evidence or they've got fresh evidence. This evidence might be evidence which they did not have originally when they made a claim to the Home Office, or maybe there's a change of circumstances in their own home country. It could be that there's a new case law that has come up, which is a country guidance case, or maybe addressing a particular point which is relevant and intricate to the case of the person who is seeking further submissions. So where someone needs to make further submissions, you will need to phone the Home Office on their phone number, which is a Liverpool phone number, and they will give you an appointment to go to Liverpool to submit your further submissions. Once you have submitted your further submissions, you'll have to wait for a decision. So before you go to the Home Office to submit your further submissions, it is important that you prepare your case adequately, bearing in mind that your case was refused before. So you need to address the points that were refused by the Home Office before, and you need to show them why the new circumstances are different from the previous circumstances. Because if it is the same case, then the Home Office is likely to refuse to accept your fresh claim or your further submissions. So if, for example, there's a new country guidance case, you need to show why your case is now fitting into the new country guidance case, or is now fitting the new circumstances. For example, recently there was a case that was made on medical grounds, which changed the situation for people who have got serious medical conditions. So that can also be a change of circumstance if the issue of medical conditions is applicable in your case. So the different circumstances will also be, for example, that you didn't have children before, you're now having children now, you were not married and you're now married, and you were not politically active, now you are politically active. You didn't have a post in your political party, now you have got a post in your political party. Different facts that you seek guidance and advice from your solicitor or from your lawyer. It is important that you prepare a cover letter outlining why these circumstances are different, and also outlining why the judge or the decision maker should depart from a decision that was made previously either by the Home Office or the first tier tribunal or indeed the upper tribunal. You need to put in a bundle of evidence that is strong to persuade the decision maker to make a different decision. So once you've made your bundle, you can then take the bundle with you to go to Liverpool, and then you submit it at Liverpool. So many clients ask me, when I go to Liverpool, am I going to be detained? The answer is 9 out of 10 times you're not going to be detained. You're just going to hand over your bundle, and then they'll just give you an acknowledgement that they've received your bundle. If you are not signing, they might ask you to start signing. If you are signing, you continue to sign at whatever post you are signing at. The Home Office again will take time to make a decision in your case, and normally to about 6 months on average, or maybe longer, or sometimes surprisingly, if they really believe that your case is so weak, they might even make a decision so quick and fast that it might be just be some weeks for them to make a decision. So where your case has been refused by the Home Office, where your appeal was not successful or your judicial review was not successful, you have an opportunity to make a fresh claim or further submissions based on new evidence that is now existing, which was not in existence before, or which you could not obtain because of circumstances. For example, because you had no one to gather the evidence for you in your own home, the evidence, and you might be successful in your asylum claim claim or in a human rights case where you have not submitted further submissions. If you require advice from ourselves, Stanlaw solicitors, we can help you. We know what is new evidence. We know what is fundamentally different circumstances. We know what will qualify for further submissions and a fresh claim, and we can give you relevant and adequate advice. My name is Andrew and I'm a solicitor at Law. Thank you.